I'm Kling Ortizo Loreto. I'm one of the choreographers of Pundok Luzinians from Barangay Luz. The greatest thing yun nga dapat unaw-unahon sa usa ka contingent is they're offering to Senior Santo Niño. Kay even if nga mo aim taog-daog, but dili kinasing-kasing nga atong performance. For me personally, dili gyud siya mag-work. Kay ako, I've been with different contingents nga feel na mo nindot nami, but nagkulang mi sa among devotion. Murag too much too much focused on the competition rather than doing this as an offering. So mo na it's best yun nga as we think of it as a competition, dapat di gyud nato kalimtan ang atong number one natong reason why gibuhat ni nato, and it is to offer to Senior Santo Niño. Teaser regarding our performance, it's very relevant and na-adjust lesson nga maponder ang tanan. Any people from all walks of life na-adjust makapunan sa among presentation. Nagsugod may screening mga first week of November or last week of October, I guess. Then, since it's a city-based contingent, lisod yun ang manpower kay mag-inilugay sa mga performers ang lain-lain nga contingents, but thankfully, by mid-November na okay ang among mga performers. Honestly, ang struggles na mo is ang among patisanan yun kay super kagamay sa area. Though we have different gyms, but gamay ra gyud siya to cater 96 dancers and 200 plus nga craftsmen. So, we're very thankful nga 4 hours among blocking time kay at least this is our first and last time nga makapractice sa venue. So medyo na kuan gyapon na sud na namutanan, and yeah, I think that's the struggle of most contingents manggod kay most city contingents kay wala gyud mga gym nga dagko. So far mo struggle na mo, but thankfully supportive ra sad gyud ang among barangay kay kanang even if naami struggle ngayon ana, ang ilang support yun ang naghatag namo o nag-fuel namo nga mo keep going. Inviting everyone to please support our contingent. Contingent number 11, Pundok Luzinians from Barangay Luz. Okay, since this is our first time, and we will bring something different and something that's worth watching for. Thank you.